In this video, we'll show you how to track website visitors with Salesflare, a powerful tool designed to boost your marketing and sales efforts by automatically capturing and organizing data. Stick around because I'll also share how you can use this software for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive into tracking your website visitors. Salesflare is an intuitive CRM built with automation in mind, and its website visitor tracking feature is one of its most powerful tools for businesses looking to understand their visitors better. With Salesflare, you can track who visits your website and how they interact with it, giving you valuable insights into potential leads and customer behaviors. It automatically logs interactions without the need for manual entry. All you need to do is set up your website with the Salesflare integration, and it'll start tracking visitor activity for you. No need to waste time trying to figure out what's working or what's not. Salesflare does it for you. Once the software is connected, it pulls detailed information about the companies visiting your site, even if they don't fill out a contact form. This means you can get insights on potential prospects who may have been hesitant to engage directly, but still showed interest in your offerings. You can see the pages they visited, how long they stayed, and what content they interacted with, which allows you to tailor your sales pitch or marketing efforts more effectively. What sets Salesflare apart is its ability to integrate with your other marketing and sales tools. You don't have to jump between different platforms to understand your website visitors. Whether it's tracking email opens, web visits, or social interactions, everything is streamlined in one dashboard. This integration helps you paint a clearer picture of where your leads are in their journey with your company. Another great feature is that you get automatic alerts when a lead visits your site, allowing you to act quickly. For instance, if a hot prospect returns to your site after receiving an email, you can reach out in real time, increasing the chances of conversion. You might be wondering about how much this costs. Well, here's the exciting part. You can use Salesflare's website visitor tracking feature completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Not only that, but with our exclusive offer, you'll get an extended free trial, which is perfect for testing out all the tools this CRM offers without any risk. Now, when you're analyzing the website data from Salesflare, the key to success is understanding what actions your visitors take. This data is actionable, meaning you can follow up with the right prospects at the right time. You can also track whether specific marketing campaigns are driving traffic and whether that traffic is converting into real leads. To get the most out of Salesflare, keep an eye on your CRM dashboard. Use it to create custom pipelines, track progress on specific leads, and see which activities are resulting in the most website visits. As you get familiar with the platform, it'll become even easier to integrate your marketing, sales, and customer relationship efforts into one efficient system. As we wrap up, remember that Salesflare is all about simplifying the tracking of your website visitors and automating the process so you can focus on converting leads into sales. Don't forget, you can access the software for free from the link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get an extended trial, letting you dive deep into all its features and test how well it fits your business needs. Tracking your website visitors doesn't have to be complicated. With Salesflare, it's as simple as set, forget, and watch your insights unfold.